This is the world's smallest headset. I know, it looks a lot like a peanut, but it's not. But is it? It is. So, today we're unboxing these bad boys. They say their headset is as tiny as a peanut. So what do? We went and bought a peanut because we want to see if it actually is that small. It has various different colors. Okay, so right off the bat, comes in a tiny little container for the buds, and this is where the charging cord goes in. I would say pretty cool design. It feels like a little cheap. That's because they are cheap and easy to purchase. In order to open them, you just slide them open. Ooh, you guys just had a quick look of what it looks like. Yeah. Well, let's see if they actually are as small as a peanut. We decided to get the red color because we wanted to be able to see them. Otherwise they'd be invisible, right? This is what they look like. Whoa. Right off the bat, they feel, I mean, it's like a plasticky material, you know, but they're very, very light, super light. They have a button at the top, and this is what you use to control, you know, your music when you're attending a call, and to also press it and connect with the device. I am confused as to which one should go in my left ear or right ear because it actually doesn't say, but the package has two sides. So I'm just gonna go with the left side of the package into my right ear. So the box is kind of cool. Like I said before, it is a charging case and it's, you know, really compatible. You can take it with you. These at the bottom have little magnets. So of course, because they're so small, you might be wondering, well, what if I pop it in here and then it falls off? It won't, because they're magnetic. Smart designing. So they actually stay on quite nicely. I hope that they don't disappear in my ear. That's probably my biggest concern. Like, what if I can't get them out and then I'm forever headsetted? Do you guys think this is as small as a peanut? If so, please comment below. It's comparable. Like, damn, look at that size. It's not that far off. Wow, maybe this is just a big peanut. There's small peanuts out there, so I guess you could find something smaller, but this is a traditionally sized peanut. We swear we have no bias towards the sizes of a peanut, and so we've picked whatever we could find, and they are the same size. First thing, marketing on point. It comes with a few things in there. Ooh, wow, look at that. So you can put them in here, you pop them in here and pop them in your ear so that this part can actually stay here. So when you're working out, they don't fall off. So I'm gonna pop them in these first. Look how cute that is. And then we're gonna connect it to a phone and test out the music for you. Pretty straightforward, like just how you would normally connect any other device to any other phone. I think after the AirPods, like wireless little buds have just become so much more popular. So they're supposed to actually go in like that and then fit in like this part of your ear so that they don't fall off. The fit honestly is like not too bad. It like is not falling off. Wow, I'm actually surprised. A lot of the times, like you buy earphones and they don't fit in your ears. So they're just like, it's really hard to like wiggle them in. These are actually not bad. So in terms of the fit, I'd give it like an 8. They don't look too bad. I thought they'd be like so bulky and ugly. They're not too bad. So you can actually still see them in my ear. Why? They're called invincible. I thought they would just disappear in my ears. I'm happy that they did not. I'm not trying to dig them out. But I think if you get one of these, like lighter colors, you know, the white, maybe the rose gold, it might blend in a little bit more. We wanted specifically to get the red because we wanted you guys to be able to see them, to make the comparison. So let's go ahead and pair this. Allow access. it said that it's connected. I'm gonna try to play music. It'd be really incredible if you connect one and they both connect. That'd be very cool. Because normally for ones that are like cheaper, you have to connect each pair individually. Oh yeah, it plays from both. They're definitely not noise canceling because I can still hear everything that's around me. But honestly, they're not that bad. The music is really clear. Wow. For the price and for the way they are, if you just don't want to spend like 200 bucks or 300 on AirPods, these are not too bad. Okay, so I have a voice recorder on. I want to see how clean it will come up on my phone when I record it through these. Hello, check 1 2, check 1 2. It's kind of blocking like the outside noise, so I feel like I'm in a bit of a closet, but at the same time I can still hear stuff happening in the background. In terms of like the music, it was really clean and clear because it's in my ear, but when I need to speak to someone, because the microphone's so hidden, it's hard for it to catch my voice. Okay. Okay, so if you're being, beggars can't be choosers. If you've only got 30 bucks, yes, of course, I think this is a pretty good purchase. If you have 400 bucks, maybe go for the AirPods Pro. So, another selling feature they have is that they're water resistant. Why you would need earbuds to be water resistant? Well, if you sweat a lot at the gym through your ears, these are for you. Get them. I personally don't sweat here, so I don't really know why I would purchase them just for that feature, but I guess it's a nice little thing to have if, accidentally a drip of sweat falls on them. Apparently they don't get ruined. All you sweaty people out there who want to purchase these and see if they stand strong. Oh my. To note, it does not say that it's waterproof, okay? It says it's water resistant, which means you can have a little bit of water here and there and they should still work.
I think it's too little.
Do you think it's too little? I think he's really wild today. This is more of a personal experiment for Nikki. She wants to go purchase them right after for his workouts.
Why don't you just soak them in water?
Soak them?
No, I'm kidding.
People who made these are like, soak them? What is she doing? Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna put these wet headsets back in my ears and damage my ears for you guys. That's just lovely. Cool. We're gonna pop them back on. Whoa. They work. Even better. It's like we cleaned them out and made them better. The music is so clean and clear now. Are they water resistant? Seems that they are. So, if you guys would try this, let us know in the comments below. And what else do you want us to unbox and reveal for you next time?